Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Cortana cannot hear you, then please watch this video. So a lot of users are still trying to instruct Cortana like they instruct Siri and Alexa, but it does not listen. I want you to know the reason behind it. So you will search for it. It's that Cortana has been discontinued. You can read this article on the Microsoft official website. Cortana support has ended, and if you have updated your system, it will not exist in your system anymore. Even if you try to install it through a third party website, it is not supported. So there is nothing that we can do about it. The simple answer to this is that you can use some other alternative like Alexa or something, because Cortana will not work on your system. And yes, we do have a few other applications that can serve as an alternative to it, like Microsoft Copilot. You can use this one as an alternative. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.